Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you an up-close look and review of this vanity faucet behind me. My husband and I just got two of these installed in our master bathroom and I absolutely love them. So I want to show them off to you guys and tell you a little bit more about them. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to keep watching. So these are definitely unique for bathroom vanity faucets because they have the detachable end here like you would see on a kitchen faucet, and they have the two settings for the standard faucet like this or for the spray faucet. Really awesome. It's definitely going to be handy when it comes to cleaning things, whether that be your sink or other items in your sink. And these have such a sleek appearance. I love how big of a curve it has, how it gives you height so you can have more usable area, but it still comes far out into the sink, so you're not having to be so far in. It's really handy, and this makes it easier for my toddler to use if he is in here. And the drain is just a simple push drain, so whenever you need to fill up your sink, just press it in and it will fill up and lock that water in, and same thing for releasing it. It's super easy. There's no need to mess with those little back plug pieces. We always had ours breaking, so I love this so much more. These really are beautiful. They are sleek and simple enough to fit pretty much any style. I love the matte black finish. It really ties in well with our bathroom, and just the style of it, the functionality that it has and brings to this area is incredible. So if you guys were looking for some new vanity faucets, hands down, we would recommend them. We adore them and love them so much, and we hope that you do as well.